Today, we are here to cut the ribbon and fully bring online the solar tree that's behind me.
It's wonderful to be able to inaugurate this solar tree, which is the culmination of really a number of projects we've been doing together with Constellation.
As you can imagine, running pumps and HVAC systems and providing life support for all of the animals that call the aquarium home, it takes a lot of energy. And so being able to offset that with the solar farm out in Cambridge has been a great step in the right direction toward our net zero pathway. This solar tree is a representation of what that is. It gives people something to see and to visually be able to understand what that solar energy is doing to offset part of our energy usage here in Baltimore.
Well, this is a great example of where we're going as a country, where we're going as a company. The sustainability issue is top priority for nonprofit organizations, for-profit organizations. We continue to partner with all of our customers and move them towards a clean energy future.
I think Constellation is one of our longest running partners that we have. We all subscribe to the same goals, which is to create a more sustainable energy future, to demonstrate to the public how that is going to happen and how easily that can be done, and at the same time actually help our bottom line, because this has saved us literally hundreds of thousands of dollars per year in energy costs.
The National Aquarium is pretty forward-leaning. They have a net zero by 2035 goal. Which is in line with what we need, what the science tells us we need to reduce emissions to actually meet our national goals by 2050. So the National Aquarium is absolutely on the right footing already. I have my own memories of coming to the National Aquarium as a kid with my siblings, and never in the world would I have thought that I would be here someday helping that same place achieve sustainability goals to address the climate crisis. It's pretty special.
It's just wonderful to be able to be out here together celebrating a sustainable future and a commitment together to make it happen.